Welcome back. In this video I will hopefully show you how to make your own DIY sparkly corset jumpsuit, if you can picture that. I'll show you my inspiration in a minute. So I'm going out in less than 48 hours and what a surprise, I have not started my outfit yet, clearly living up to the name. We are being last minute. I've got the fabric, so I got the fabric on Saturday, so this is the sparkly kind of fabric that I'm using for the corset part of the jumpsuit. And then I've got this like black crepe fabric. I mean, you can't really tell on here, but it's really stretchy, so that should be perfect for the bottom half of the jumpsuit. Please pray for me because I don't know why I do it every single time and I'm last minute, but we clearly love the pressure, so watch along to see if I actually finish this outfit in time, because who knows, we will see. So my inspiration for this outfit is this jumpsuit from Zara, and I saw it on a couple of people and I thought, oh, that's really nice. However, the fit didn't look great, so I thought, I'll challenge myself, I'll just try and make it. I mean, we've got a couple of days, 48 hours, like, why do I do it to myself? But yeah, let's get started and hope for the best. So this is the toile, or the draft, and this is the front side piece and then the back two pieces. I want to try and have like quite a scoop so it'll be really flattering at the back. So that's the front, and then I've continued it, so I've just added a little bit here. So this is the final draft. I'm going to be using the cup on the left. So now I've got all my pattern pieces. I'm going to take this apart and use it for my individual pattern pieces to cut out in the real fabric. So this is currently where I'm up to. I've got all 13 pieces of the bodice cut out, the corset. So I've got an underlayer of like power mesh, and then a glittery layer, which is so sparkly, and then just like a beaded sequin layer. Okay, so it's Friday night. I am supposed to be going out for dinner in literally about an hour. My outfit for tomorrow evening is cut out. That's something, I suppose. And I've got so much to do. I don't even know if it's going to fit me. So I need to smash off all the beads. I need to actually sew the corset together. I need to sew the trousers. I need to just do so much. And yeah, I've got about an hour. So I'm going to do as much as I can now. At least if I can smash the beads off the seam allowance, and then I'll just have to get up really early tomorrow and just pray that I can work quickly and actually finish it in time for tomorrow evening. I will let you know. Okay, safety first. So when you're smashing beads off, you need to make sure that you wear something to protect your eyes, because no joke, these beads will literally go everywhere. So make sure you've got something to like protect your fabric and you don't want to like knock a hole in it. So I've just literally got a block of wood underneath, and then put a bit of fabric over, and then you're ready to smash the beads. Like you'll see now, they literally go everywhere. So the reason I'm doing this is because you can like leave this stage, but it'll be so hard, trust me. Your gal is last minute. Like I have tried to do it without this stage, like with this kind of fabric, and like it just like messes your sewing machine up and you just snap like 50 needles. On my way home, it started to snow. So I've just got home from dinner. It is just after 10:30. I think driving home in the snow has given me a bit of an adrenaline boost because for whatever reason I'm not tired. So I thought, while I feel so awake, I'm just going to get started on the outfit. So I've cut everything out that I need. The beads are all smashed off the seam allowances, so I can just get it like sewn together tonight. So I just want to make a start, because even by my standards, I'm a bit panicked that I'm not going to finish, and I'll be fuming at myself if I don't. So yeah, I'm just going to make a start and see where we get up to. So first I'm stitching all 3 pieces of fabric together for each pattern piece, so as that will anchor them together and make my life easier when I'm sewing. Now that I've got all 3 layers of each pattern piece together, I'm just attaching the side seams, making the corset. Now I'm doing exactly the same for the cut part of the pattern. Okay, so this is like the cup, this is the bottom half, and then the top, so I just need to try, and I want like a really nice finish, so I'm going to put these 2 layers underneath like this, and then I'm going to put this layer over the top and stitch down here and then turn it over. So I would normally use pins for this part, but it is midnight, so pins are out the window at this point. This is it, and then so that's the top, and then you turn it over like this, and then it'll be like a nice edge. So I just need to understitch. So I've moved the seam allowance here to the side, and I'm going to stitch down there. So that it should help keep it all nice and flat. And then the lining layer shouldn't roll, like hopefully then will not roll to the other side, so you shouldn't see it at all, so it won't peek through if you understitch it. Because if you don't, sometimes it can like move and like you'll be able to see the lining, which is not really what you want. So just stitch close to the edge. It looks like that, and then when it's anchored down, that will all stay nicely, so it'll stay nice and flat. So that'll be against my skin where it's soft, and then yeah, the glittery edge is going to be on the outside. So I'm just stitching the top and the bottom half of the cup together, and then it should look like this, and there you have a cup. So first of all, I'm just going to clip here, so as it all lay nice and flat. So you snip, because so this layer will stretch a little bit, because this bit is smaller in size than this bit. So if you stretch this so as it'll lay nice and flat, and it'll just look right. You probably could do it without, but it wouldn't sit very nicely. It'd probably be a bit bumpy. So, but just make sure you've got like a row of stitching before you just slice it all. So I'm pinning all the way around, trying to match the seams up, so making sure the centre is matched up. Now it's all pinned, you just need to stitch it together. So the time now is about 1:30 AM, and I am very tired and absolutely had enough. However, for a couple of hours I've actually made pretty good progress. But yeah, I'm so tired, and if anyone else does last minute sewing, or anything last minute for that matter, then you'll know that you reach a point where you're either pushed through and it's all fine, or you push through and it all starts going wrong. And usually it ends up going wrong for me when I get too tired, and then I just want to throw the whole thing out the window, and I don't want to get to that point tonight because I'll just be fuming. So yeah, the corset is about maybe 70% done. I've just got to do all the like final details, but it's pretty much together. And then I just wanted to get the trousers together but not fitted, so as then tomorrow I can just make sure they fit me perfectly, and then attach the jumpsuit to like the top half to the trousers to make it a jumpsuit. So yeah, that's where we're up to. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, so I've been burning the midnight oil and I just thought I'm just going to try and get it done, and I've just tried the corset on for a little like fit check, and like I actually love it. Like, I mean, I probably could have done with like underwire here, but to make it sit flatter, but I'm not that bothered, to be honest. I think it looks nice. So yeah, I just need to add the channels on the inside and then the bone in, and then attach the bottoms. But I literally just put like a zip in like quickly, so as I could just check that it fits before I go any further with it. But yeah, like it's very cinching anyway, so yeah, happy with that. And then I need to add some straps as well and just neaten everything up. I'm just using the overlocker to get the trousers roughly together, and then I will make sure that they fit me properly in the morning. But for now, bed. So it is the morning now, and I am using the hammer to smash the beads off the seam allowance, so I can now sew the boning onto the corset to give it some structure. Look how sparkly it is. It's starting to come together. I'm just sewing the trousers to the corset to make it into a jumpsuit. Now finally, after I've added the straps on the shoulders, I'm just sewing in the zip, and then hopefully it will be finished. The outfit is finished, so we've got the flared trousers on the leg, and then obviously the corset on the top, and I just added some ribbon for straps. Like, I am obsessed with this outfit. Look at the corset. Like, it's so fitted, like, and I just love how sparkly it is. Like, if I die, bury me in this. Obsessed.